Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create an account on WeChat. So what we gotta do, we gotta just go ahead to our app store and just go ahead into the WeChat and download it. And afterwards, you're gonna open it. And as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Just go ahead and click sign up with your account. And what you're gonna do, you have two options. You have, the option to sign up with Facebook, or you can sign up with Apple, or you can sign up with mobile. So in my case, I'm gonna just use mobile. I'm gonna just enter my name, phone number, and set a password. And I'm gonna just click the check mark on I have read and accept the terms of service. And you're gonna read their policies and everything. And you're gonna accept and continue. And now you actually created your account. It's that simple. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.